Everything resonates right here with you. Hey everybody, it's your favorite idiot here. I figured I'd give a 2020 update on the fairing. Things I've done, things I haven't done. As you can see, I put a 4-channel amplifier in here from Walmart. It's not a bad amp for 90 bucks. You can see my wiring mess. Right there's the relay I used off of the auxiliary power. That way I could kick it on and off with the bike for the fairing. Inside you can see where I put the top mount to keep the fairing in place. That hole is actually made for the turn signals to go through. But I'd have to be right up on the side of the triple tree because that's where it mounts on a Harley. Haven't quite figured out how to make it work like that yet. Going around to the front of the bike. Really not much has changed since last time. I did upgrade my speakers. I had kickers up in the top. Now I have Scar audio. They're actually Marina speakers. And I put a radio in. It's a little Pioneer. It's that little box right beside it. It goes to my heated grips. I went ahead and bought a pair of Oxford heated grips. They're not really made for the bike, but I figured out a way to make them work. In the bottom, I put the Kicker DS 6.5s down in the lower fairings. They're not waterproof, but they've been wet and it hasn't hurt them. Up top where my auxiliary switch was, I went ahead and replaced that. It has the dummies in it. As you can see, I've added saddlebags. I have the 2-in-1 Vance and Hine exhaust. And I have a Cobra intake. I have a fuel processor as well. Since I put that radio in, I really wanted to have the steering wheel controls. So right here what you're looking at is the hand controls off of the Kawasaki Vaquero or a Voyager. I think they're the same. Since they're black, I had to get both of them or else I'd have one chrome and one black. As you can see right here, I have the volume, the tuning, and the squelch. And all 3 of those buttons you can click in, so that essentially gives me 9 different functions I can add to the radio. It moves your horn right up beside the low and high beams. On the other side, it has a hazard button, which would be kind of fun because the Vulcan doesn't have hazards. This kind of gives you an idea of what it's going to look like. I'll make a video on doing this because I'm going to have to modify it. Until next time, peace out.